Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to automatically adjust column length in Microsoft Excel spreadsheets. But first things first, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to put the notifications on. I've also recently put in a store here, and I just want to let you guys know that a percentage of the proceeds will go to donations toward cat shelters all over the world. All right, so let's get started. So instead of adjusting these manually, we can make it so then the second we type email address that it'll automatically adjust. So how we do that is we right click on the sheets, view code, and then we open up the worksheet, and then from here we type in cells dot entire column dot auto fit, and then as soon as we're done that, then we can just close this, X that, and then go here, and then we can test it. And then as soon as we hit go off the cell, it will auto adjust for us right away. So I'll show that again over here though. And there you go. And then let's do one more. Home address for customers. And there you go. That's basically it. Thanks, guys, for watching. How to Tech Tips. Keep teching on.